let's take it and dip it here. So there we go. Hey kings and queens, welcome back to the Liberty 100% channel. I hope you're doing great. I hope you're doing awesome. I'm back again with another video. I'm doing great. I can't complain and I'm glad to be here. Thank you for the support. Thank you for liking. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for commenting, man. Continue sharing these videos. And in case you're new to this channel, please take your time, like, comment, subscribe, and share. Also, don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you're notified whenever I post a new video. And don't forget to share these videos with their family and friends so that they may be able to watch the videos from the Liberty 100% channel. In today's video, I'm going to relate the health of my hair to the porosity of my hair. This is because I've really been stressed lately because my hair has been shedding a lot. I really can't tell what the cause is, but I really don't know what to do. Please, if you've gone through the same situation or if you've experienced your hair shedding, kindly comment whatever you've used so that you may curb the shedding. Yes, share the info in the comment section and I will appreciate so much. In this video, I have come to test whether my hair is healthy. That's what I want to know. That's all I want to know today because it has been stressing me out for almost a month now. Imagine you just seated and you see a strand of hair on maybe your t-shirt or top or blouse, it's really frustrating. I have done my research and found out that it's okay and it's normal for your hair to shed. In a day, one is expected to shed from 1 to 75 strands of hair. So I just hope it's normal shedding. Let's get to test whether my hair is healthy or there's something that I should work on. And if you know what is worked or what is working, kindly comment in the comment section below. Don't stress about my wet t-shirt. I am just right from washing my hair, so don't mind the wet t-shirts. Yeah. Thank you. Let's get started. In this test, all you need is your hair clean. Just shampoo it so that it can be as clean as mine or better. Yeah. And you need a half full glass of water. Yeah, I have my glass of water here. Yes, it's half full, as you can see. It's half full, clean water actually, and it's cold. So also you'll need a strand of your hair. So let me take a strand of my hair. There is the strand of hair. I'm going to record while dipping it in the water and we'll see if it will sink or it will float. So if you have healthy hair, it is supposed to float. So let's do that and test whether this will work. Yeah, so this is the strand that I'm going to use. I'm going to dip it in the glass. So let's take it and dip it here. So there we go. Yeah, there it is. Yeah, as you can see, it is floating. I hope there's nothing to be worried about. So let's give it some time to see whether it will sink. You can see it's floating. Hey, so I'm back again. As you've seen from the experiment, my hair is floating, thankfully, but I have tried to incorporate a lot of changes. I'm really taking care of my hair, not like before. Yeah, I am trying to eat a lot of proteins, drink a lot of water, and oil my hair as much as I can. Just like as I finish recording this video, I'm going to oil and put in rubber bands. Yeah, that's how I do it for those who are new to this channel. And you can conduct this test at home, especially if you're worried about the health of your hair. So if your hair is healthy, the hair strand should float. Yeah, but also even if it sinks, no worries, you know, just eat well, drink a lot of water, and I believe all will be okay. Of course, I'm worried too because shedding hair ain't easy. I'm not used to it, but I'm getting over it and trying my best. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have or whatever lock or hair problem you've experienced and you've gone through it, or whatever you've gone through, please comment your hair experiences in the comment section below. Or you might have a problem with your hair, kindly comment in the comment section below, and whoever who knows the solution to your problem will comment and help you. Who knows, this is where the savior is. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. You can conduct this test at home, and you can also comment your result in the comment section below. And whoever has a solution, or who knows how I can reduce the shedding of my hair, you can comment in the comment section too, and I'll really appreciate. Don't forget to like, comment, and share the video. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly do so that you may be able to join the Livity 100% family. And I really appreciate for the further to come, and hoping for the better. May God bless you and your families too, and everybody, and see you in the next video. Thank you for everything. Bye.